So I just want to give everybody an update on where we are right now with the class coming into the second week of class. So I had you work on the empirical observation exercise on Saturday, and hopefully that was enjoyable for you as well. So I'm looking forward to hearing where you were and what you observed, and that's pretty much how we're going to start the class off. I've gone through and updated the grade book as well, so everybody, nice job getting your documents submitted. Good start. The other thing for this week, people are asking about what the assignments are, and if you go into the module into week 2, you'll see that there's two things that will be due. The first one is to turn around and look at one of the case studies, Phineas Gage, the case of HM, or the case of Clyde Waring, which has to do with memory or lack of memory. So I posted some links to the videos for each of those particular cases, so you want to be able to turn around and choose one of those that you're going to write about, and there's some questions that you're going to turn around and answer. Right? So that's available. The instructions are in the week 2 module. Second thing that you want to do this week to get ready for class on Saturday is to turn around and find an article that provides parents with advice and or discusses childhood milestones. And again, you'll see that assignment in the module 2 as well, in the active engagement. And you want to write a short summary, maybe half a page, which is a summary of the article. You might even want to print out a copy of the article for me, just so that I can have a context to see what you were reading. And you want to discuss about the accuracy of it, the inaccuracy of it. And think about this: if it's an inaccurate article, what impact does that have on a parent, a young parent who's reading that particular article and assumes that just because it's written that it must be legitimate? So obviously that can present some problems as well. And certainly those of you in the class that are parents certainly understand that when you read some of these articles, sometimes you sit there and go, well, that's great, but that stuff doesn't work. So you have your real life experience to draw from. Let's see, I'm also in the process of writing our notes that will guide us through pretty much the little bit of an overview of neuroscience in chapter 2 and 3. And then the real meat will be in the discussion of chapters 4 and 5 in your boundless book about human development. And I'm going to take it actually a little bit further. It ends at adolescence, but certainly we know that life often for many begins after adolescence. So I'll take you through early adulthood, middle adulthood, and then older age, and then bereavement. So I think we have a full day ahead of us. We're going to turn around and try to get all the material covered. As I said, I've got some assignments for us to work on, for you to work on as groups, in groups, and I think you'll find that we're going to have a pretty enjoyable 5 hours in class. And for people that haven't been through a 5-hour class, you might be thinking, oh my goodness, how am I going to do it? Trust me, you're going to be good. We've got a lot of good things to discuss, a lot of exercises, some videos, and some other fun things. So remember, plan on a full day. See you at 1:30, and if you have any questions, you can just text me, and I'll see you Saturday.